and welcome to this video on pySDSF scripting modernized. System Display and Search Facility is a powerful feature on IBM z/OS mainframes that helps users monitor and manage jobs, system resources, and logs. Traditionally, these operations are performed interactively through ISPF panels. But modernization changes the game. Automation is here. Introducing pySDSF, a Python-based interface that lets you script SDSF operations, eliminating the need for manual steps and enabling faster, more efficient workflows. Using pySDSF, users can manage jobs, oversee system operations, and access logs. Interactively, user can generate Python script using SDSF pgen command. Let's learn how to create a Python script using pySDSF. We will use status of jobs as an example. Python script for retrieving status of jobs from SDSF. To understand the overall structure and interface of pySDSF, let's take a closer look at a sample code block. Create a connection to enable SDSF services for your script. Use a job name prefix and owner to limit the data returned. Retrieving information about the status of jobs currently running on the system. Filters are applied to restrict the data returned, and the results have been printed. Lastly, ensure you close the connection before the script exits. Let's also look at the dependencies. pySDSF requires Python 3.13.0 or higher. You need to install the package for pySDSF using pip install pySDSF command. Would you like to learn more and explore pySDSF? You can refer to the pySDSF documentation located at the path highlighted on the screen. Sample examples are included and can be found at the path highlighted on the screen. You can find additional details in the SDSF operation and customization guide, as well as the SDSF user's guide. Upgrade to z/OS 3.2 and install pySDSF. To find out more information, request a demo, or speak to our IBM SDSF experts, please reach out using the email ID highlighted on the screen.